Do you want to know how you can create a collage in Photodirector? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a collage in Photodirector. Go ahead and open your Photodirector and then tap on the home button, which you can see on the left hand side. Now you can see collage over here. Click collage, and then there are some of the options like selecting the number of photos you want to create in collage. So go ahead and choose the number you want to try. Let's suppose I want to make 3, so there are a lot of designs. You can scroll down and you can find a lot of designs over here. Click on any design you like and you can click later, or you can watch video of how you can create a collage. So after you press later, select the photos you want to make a collage of. After selecting a photo, press the tick mark over here and you can see that a collage has been created. So this is how you create a collage in Photodirector, guys. Let me show it to you once again. Open Photodirector, which is on your phone, and then tap on the home button, which is on the left hand side corner. Now tap on collage, select the number of photos you want to collage, and then select the design of the collage. You can scroll all the way down and you can find your desired design. Tap on it. It will take some time. Now what you need to do is select the photos which you want to make a collage of. And after selecting it, press the tick mark, which you can see over here, and you can even edit the image like this. You can change the image, and after you're done, press on download, and after getting the premium version of Photodirector, you can save it. I hope this video about how you can create a collage in Photodirector was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.